Hi! Today I'm going to be talking about the Premium Mini Box for Oily Skin by SKYN Curated Skincare. I am trying this today. It's a very nice one-time box where it's kind of like they give you a starter kit for people who are new to Korean skincare, K-beauty, with an item for you to do each of the 10 steps. It comes in this kind of container. I've got it upside down because I couldn't get the address label on. And I'm excited to share this with you today because I didn't really see any reviews for this on YouTube, and so I'm excited to share it with you guys so you can see what it's like. So, nice simple box, pretty big. SKYN Curated Skincare. It shouldn't be a big surprise because they kind of list what they're going to put in the box for you. I'm sorry, it was 9 items for your skincare with a cute little instructions. I love it. It says day and night, each different thing. So if it's on one side, obviously it's just that side, or if it's on both, it's both. Change the way you K-beauty. And it says, thank you, Brandy, specifically me. Love so-and-so. I think it's Jean. I'm not going to guess. Thank you. So 50% off, 15% off my next purchase. So bear with me because all of these items I am new to, so I'm really excited. This is the sheet mask. Power 10 Formula BB Mask Sheet. That's pretty cool. As you guys know, I do get a lot of subscription boxes aimed for skincare, Korean beauty style skincare. One of the main things is that a lot of Korean skincare is aimed towards very dry skin, very small pores, very light skin tones, which I'm brown, I have oily skin, and my pores could be seen from outer space. Let's just be real. But they do have those products, they're just harder to find. So that's why I was really excited about this, because it's coming straight for my skin type, and I'm really excited about that. This is, I'm gonna butcher this. It's SKYN 37. I know this is really popular because I see it in a lot of different blogs. Waterful Rebalancing Gel Lotion. Awesome. And that's the cream. So that's step 6, it's saying. Not step 6 necessarily, because step 6 is essence. It's the cream, so it's step 9. Collagen Power Firming Eye Cream by Maison, I think is the way you say it. I've heard of this brand. This seems like a pretty popular brand in Korean skincare. And it is step 8 according to this. Pink Vital Water Serum. Ooh, I know this brand. I don't know how to say it, Etude House, but I do like everything that I've gotten from them so far, so I'm excited to try this. This is a serum. Let me see. Aqua Reveal Satin Bright Soft Water Peel for face. That's the exfoliator. It's a single-use packet, but that's okay. I don't exfoliate that often because, believe it or not, I actually have sensitive skin. SKYN 37 Skin Saver. I really should have researched this before I made the video, what it sounds like, but I wanted it to be really, really honest. So if I sound ridiculous, at least you know it's the real me. So this is the foaming cleanser. Same brand, Skin Refresher, which is basically the toner. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. The Clean It Zero. It's the oil cleanser. It's a cleansing oil by Vanilla, and I've seen this everywhere, and I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try it. This is the Timeless Water Gel Cream. So there's a lot of cream in here. I'm gonna go through in order by all the items so we can kind of get a better idea. Ooh, and a free gift. Isn't that sweet? Free gift. AC Cleanup Toner and Lotion. Awesome. Very nice. Okay, so in order of use, recommended use for a nighttime. So Clean It, Vanilla Clean It Zero, cleansing oil first for the double cleansing, and then the foaming cleanser which this is a nice size of cleanser. This will last me a good amount of time because I only use a tiny bit. So step 1 and step 2 are both cleansing. The exfoliator, it's a one-time packet, but we shall see how it goes. Then there's the toner. Then it's recommended that you do the sheet mask next, followed by toner, sheet mask, essence, which is the Pink Vital Water Essence, which looks amazing. You follow that up with the serum. Which one is the serum ampule? Gel cream, skin refresher. It's actually telling me the emulsion is next. Oh Lord have mercy. We'll get through this together. So this is the eye cream. I know that's towards the end. Let's do it in reverse order at this point. Aqua Reveal is the exfoliator. The Mizon Scrim Cream. Eye cream is over here. The Waterful Gel Cream is the moisturizer. Then there's the gel lotion. And then the toner. And the essence. Okay, so I think I got it in order. Oil, water cleansing. Then you have your exfoliator, your toner, your sheet mask, your essence, then your first lotion, your heavier lotion. Wait, no. First lotion, eye cream, heavy lotion. Yes, we did it. We did it together. So that is the SKYN box. This was 65 bucks. That's a lot of money for 10 samples and a free item. I think you're paying for the fact that it's designed for your skin tone, for your skin type, and you're not taking the chance that you're gonna have random items. So like when I get my other boxes, I might not get a toner this month. I might get just a face cream. I might get just a I always get a sheet mask, and I might get a serum or something like that. So I think you're paying for the fact that you get enough to start you for about like 2 weeks to a month on the Korean beauty product. But my husband is giving me a look like we're not going to be buying this box again. So thank you, SKYN box. This would be a good starter. It would be a nice Christmas gift. It would be good for a lot of purposes, but for my purposes, I probably won't be getting it again. $65. Shipping was free. An item for each step of the routine with a really nice insert. In certain aspects, I think it would be a good value, but not for me. So thank you, SKYN box. I won't be seeing you again. If you like this review, or if you would like to see different types of boxes, please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.